ASE Mechanic, what it means and why it matters. When you're in need of auto repair or maintenance, you want the assurance that your vehicle is in capable hands. One way to ensure this is by seeking the services of an ASE mechanic. But what exactly does ASE mechanic mean, and why is it important? In this video, we will demystify the term, explain what it signifies, and discuss why entrusting your vehicle to an ASE certified mechanic can provide you with peace of mind and assurance of quality service. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. What does ASE stand for? ASE stands for the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. It is an independent, non-profit organization established in 1972 to improve the quality of automotive service and repair through the testing and certification of automotive professionals. Who is an ASE mechanic? An ASE mechanic, also known as an ASE certified technician, is an automotive professional who has undergone rigorous testing and has earned certification from the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. These certifications serve as a mark of excellence and proficiency in various areas of automotive repair and service. Why ASE certification matters? Quality assurance. ASE certification is a benchmark for quality in the automotive industry. To earn certification, mechanics must pass comprehensive exams covering specific areas of automotive repair and service. These exams are developed by industry experts and cover everything from engine repair to brake systems, electrical systems, and more. When you choose an ASE certified mechanic, you can trust that they have demonstrated their knowledge and expertise in their field. Up-to-date knowledge. The automotive industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies, materials, and techniques emerging regularly. ASE certification requires mechanics to stay current with these advancements. To maintain their certification, mechanics must retest every few years, ensuring that they stay up to date with the latest industry standards and best practices. Problem-solving skills. ASE certified technicians possess excellent problem-solving skills. The certification exams are designed to test not only knowledge, but also the ability to diagnose and solve complex automotive issues. This means that when you bring your vehicle to an ASE mechanic, you're entrusting it to someone who can identify problems accurately and provide effective solutions. Peace of mind. When you visit an ASE certified mechanic, you can have peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is in capable hands. ASE certification is widely recognized and respected throughout the automotive industry. It provides you with confidence that the mechanic working on your car has the necessary skills and knowledge to perform quality repairs. Different types of ASE certifications. ASE offers a wide range of certifications, each focusing on a specific area of automotive repair and service. Some of the most common ASE certifications include ASE engine repair. Mechanics with this certification are skilled in diagnosing and repairing engine-related issues, including internal engine components and systems. ASE brake systems. Brake system technicians are experts in maintaining and repairing braking components, ensuring your vehicle can stop safely. ASE electrical systems. This certification covers electrical systems, including wiring, circuits, and electronic components. ASE suspension and steering. Mechanics with this certification specialize in suspension and steering components, ensuring your vehicle handles properly and rides smoothly. ASE heating and air conditioning. Technicians with this certification are knowledgeable in diagnosing and repairing HVAC systems, keeping you comfortable on the road. ASE transmission and drivetrain. These mechanics are experts in repairing and maintaining transmission and drivetrain components, including the gearbox and driveline. ASE advanced engine performance. This certification focuses on advanced engine diagnostics and performance tuning, ensuring optimal engine efficiency and power. ASE collision repair. ASE also offers certifications for collision repair technicians, covering body repair, refinishing, and structural repairs. How to verify ASE certification. To ensure that a mechanic is truly ASE certified, you can take the following steps. Ask for certification. Most ASE certified technicians proudly display their certifications in their shops or garages. Don't hesitate to ask the mechanic about their ASE certification and request to see their credentials. Check online. You can verify a mechanic's ASE certification online by visiting the official ASE website. They have a Verify a Certification tool where you can enter the technician's name and certification number to confirm their status. Ask for references. If you have doubts about a mechanic's certification, consider asking for references or reviews from past customers. Satisfied customers often provide valuable feedback about their experiences with ASE certified technicians. Conclusion: choosing an ASE mechanic means opting for quality expertise and peace of mind when it comes to your vehicle's maintenance and repair. ASE certification represents a commitment to excellence, ongoing education, and the ability to diagnose and solve complex automotive issues. Whether you need routine maintenance or significant repairs, entrusting your vehicle to an ASE certified technician ensures that it's in capable hands and will receive the highest level of care and attention. When it comes to your car's performance and your safety on the road, ASE certification matters. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.